Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Betterment for cash management between acquisitions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Betterment for cash management between acquisitions, begin by logging into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the cash management option in the menu. Click on it to access the cash management settings. You will see an option to activate cash management. Select the Activate button. Next, review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. If you agree, click on the Accept button. You may be prompted to link your bank account for seamless transfers. Follow the instructions to securely link your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, return to the cash management settings. Here, you can set your preferences for cash allocations. Decide how much cash you want to manage for each acquisition. After entering your preferences, click Save Changes. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that cash management is activated. Now, you can easily manage your cash between acquisitions. To monitor your cash flow, check the dashboard regularly. This process ensures efficient management of your funds during acquisitions. You are now ready to utilize Betterment's cash management features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.